Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Infiniti G35 in neutral, full guide. Push and hold the brake, press the shift release button, and slide the shifter into neutral while keeping control. If the vehicle won't shift normally, use the shift override or follow the manual release steps. Take safety precautions like engaging the parking brake, using wheel chocks, and avoiding slopes whenever possible to reduce risk. Start by positioning the car on level ground and holding the brake firmly. Depress the shift lock button and move the lever smoothly into neutral, keeping steady pressure on the brake. If the engine is off, consult the manual for override steps or access the shift release slot. After shifting, test by gently releasing the brake to confirm the vehicle rolls freely, then reapply the parking brake for safety and control. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, a tidy companion for long days on the road. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one if you're curious. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If the shifter resists movement, first check the brake light fuse and battery condition, as these can affect shift lock. Locate the shift override slot and follow the manual release steps if available, using a flat tool with care. When in doubt, or if you encounter grinding, strange noises, or transmission issues, stop and call professional roadside assistance to avoid damage and ensure safe handling of the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.